Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to check if your Redmi Android phone is actually fake or original. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is that you need to check the IMEI number of your Redmi Android phone. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply go to your dialer. Then on getting to your dialer, what you need to do here is to make sure you click on your dial pad. Then here, you need to make sure you dial *#06#. And in a few seconds, you are going to see your IMEI number right here. So this is the number you need right here. So what you want to do here now is to simply click on the IMEI number. You can easily copy any of the IMEI number right here. I'm going to simply get on the first IMEI number right here. I'm going to simply click and hold down, and we click on copy. Now when you copy the IMEI number, next thing you need to do is to exit from your dial pad. Then you have to head over to your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to go to your search or type URL. And what you need to do right here is to type in imei.info. Then click on search. Then it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to make sure you paste the IMEI number into this particular section right here. Click and hold down and paste your IMEI number and click on check IMEI number. The next thing you need to do here is to click on verify you are human. Here we go. Then you can simply scroll down right here. And immediately you see basic info. So that is to tell you that the phone is genuine. And then here you'll be able to see detail about the phone, the release date, the Android version, and everything about the phone is going to be shown right here. It's that simple. But when you enter your IMEI number into this particular website and you cannot see any information about the phone, it simply means that your Redmi Android phone is fake. It's that simple. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.